Greetings. Remember to like and subscribe on YouTube. Today we're making a quick lentil soup. Provided your pantry is well stocked, having a nutritious meal ready in minutes is always achievable. Cut all the vegetables up and store them separately or as appropriate. With the spring onions, shallots, scallions, whatever you call them in your part of the world, cut up the white and the light green part separately to the dark green. Different flavour and different density. With the spinach, we're just roughly chopping it up. If there's massive pieces of stalk, remove those and cut through the spinach in both directions. Simple. The eggplant, the smaller the cubes we cut, the faster it cooks and the more colour we're able to get. So I've cut it up relatively finely. These cubes are about 8 millimeters square, maybe a little bit smaller. Note with the tomato how I cut the root out. Try not to waste anything. The lentils, I just boiled the lentils in salted water until they were just cooked. And then you can have those lentils in the fridge for up to 4 or 5 days. You can freeze them, but freezing them negatively impacts. So dry saute off your garlic, your shallot and your eggplant. Once the eggplant is starting to colour up, throw in salt and pepper. The earlier you add the salt and pepper, the less you have to put in. Put your vegetable stock, and I mix the vegetable stock with water. Bring it to a light boil, put your lentils in, have it on a rolling boil and reduce it by about 1/3. Turn the heat off, put in the tomato and the spinach, stir it well, taste it for seasoning, and then serve. Once you have it in a serving bowl, garnish with the green part of the shallots. It's that simple to make, ready in minutes, minimal preparation time. Put whatever vegetables you prefer in there. This can be made with kidney beans or cannelloni beans as well, so possibilities are only limited by your imagination. Enjoy.